AI just got a mind of its own, or at least something very close. A brand new class of models called energy-based transformers is changing the game, allowing AI to reason more like humans do. This could be the most important leap toward real intelligence we've seen yet. The journey of artificial intelligence is a story of constant evolution. We went from rigid, rule-based systems to statistical models that could find correlations in data. The first true revolution was deep neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, AI could suddenly learn to recognize patterns in images and understand spoken words, moving beyond simple number crunching to perceive the world in a new way. This brought us to the current era, dominated by the transformer architecture, which gave rise to large language models like GPT, Claude, and Gemini. They can write essays, generate code, and hold surprisingly human-like conversations. Yet, despite these incredible capabilities, a fundamental limitation has persisted. They are masters of mimicry and pattern matching, but they don't truly reason. So, what's happening under the hood? When you prompt a model like GPT, it isn't thinking. It performs a complex calculation to predict the next most probable word, based on the trillions of examples it was trained on. It's like the world's most sophisticated autocomplete, stringing together words that statistically fit, without any genuine comprehension. This probabilistic approach is the root cause of their most well-known flaws. It leads to hallucinations, where the model confidently invents facts or cites non-existent sources. It results in an unearned overconfidence, presenting incorrect information with the same authority as verified facts, and it's why they struggle with multi-step reasoning. Overcoming this reasoning gap is the holy grail for AI researchers. How do we move beyond prediction to genuine understanding? A new approach is emerging that aims to do just that, potentially rewriting the next chapter of AI. It's called an energy-based transformer. These models evaluate decisions not by raw probabilities but by energy scores. Instead of rushing to output, the AI tries multiple paths and picks the one that best fits. This mimics human reasoning. Humans pause, test different mental options, discard bad answers, and refine reasoning before concluding. EBTs loop internally. They produce a candidate answer, evaluate its energy score, and if unsatisfactory, they try again until finding a solution that feels good enough. This introduces something groundbreaking, an internal self-checking mechanism. Unlike current LLMs that hallucinate without knowing it, EBTs can recognize when they are wrong. Let's start with natural language. Standard AI models often falter with ambiguity. Give them a riddle, and they might just pick one interpretation and run with it, often leading to a nonsensical answer. Energy-based reasoning changes this. EBTs don't commit to the first path. Instead, they explore multiple reasoning chains, evaluating each one until landing on the most coherent, lowest energy answer. It's a system designed to find clarity in confusion. This iterative process gives the AI a quality we can only describe as human-like persistence. Think about how you solve a difficult problem. You don't just guess once. You try an approach, check your work, and backtrack if it's wrong. EBTs do the same, treating problems as reasoning exercises rather than one-shot outputs, moving AI from a fast calculator to a thoughtful partner. This power extends dramatically into computer vision. Imagine an AI trying to identify a partially hidden object. A traditional model might make a high-confidence error. EBTs, however, evaluate multiple visual interpretations. They might entertain several possibilities before converging on the most consistent, lowest energy explanation that fits all the visual data. This makes them far more reliable in challenging, real-world scenarios where context is everything. For more general, complex problem-solving, this is a game-changer. Whether it's planning logistics or debugging code, EBTs simulate a deliberate thought process. They actively check their reasoning. If a line of thought leads to a contradiction, a high-energy state, the model discards it and explores a more promising alternative. This built-in self-correction allows it to navigate intricate problems and find robust solutions. Ultimately, this shift is far bigger than just another incremental upgrade. For the first time, we're seeing a clear move in AI development that prioritizes quality of thought over raw computational speed. It's about depth, not just velocity. And here's the truly remarkable part. EBTs achieve this superior performance while being significantly more efficient. Instead of relying on colossal, energy-guzzling models, they use a more focused, intelligent process. This is an efficiency breakthrough as much as an intelligence breakthrough, promising a future where powerful AI is more capable, accessible, and sustainable. In healthcare, EBTs could mimic how doctors test, refine, and reconsider based on evidence, leading to more trustworthy medical AI. For autonomous vehicles, energy-based reasoning gives cars flexible human-like adaptability when situations change unexpectedly. Imagine an AI tutor that recognizes when its explanation doesn't make sense and rephrases until the student understands. In scientific discovery, AI that can self-correct and refine reasoning could accelerate breakthroughs in drug discovery and material science. This breakthrough suggests we're moving from statistical AI to reasoning AI. For decades, AI has excelled at statistics, finding patterns in data to predict the next word or identify an image. But this is pattern recognition, not true understanding. A reasoning AI moves beyond correlation to grasp context and logic. It doesn't just predict, it deliberates. The next decade will be defined not by bigger models, but by smarter architectures like this, bringing AI closer to the flexible, nuanced cognition we associate with human thought. This shift also fundamentally changes AI safety. An AI that can pause and reconsider is far less likely to produce harmful outputs. Current models often generate misinformation because they lack an internal gut check. A system with a deliberative step can evaluate its own initial thoughts, check them against its knowledge, and refine its answer before presenting it. This opens the door to systems that self-monitor in real time, making them vastly more reliable for critical applications and building the trust needed to integrate AI safely into our lives. We're standing at the edge of a major shift in artificial intelligence. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a potential paradigm shift. For years, the focus has been on making models bigger and faster. Energy-based transformers represent the first serious step toward models that are more. They embody the simple but profound idea of thinking before they speak, moving from reactive output to a more contemplative, iterative process. This is what separates simple calculation from genuine problem-solving. These are models that know when to try again, and that can reason in a way that's closer to our own. We're moving away from a paradigm where success is measured in processing speed, and toward one where it's measured by the quality of thought. It's not about speed anymore. It's about true intelligence. The journey into artificial general intelligence is just beginning. If exploring these frontiers excites you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. What's coming next might redefine what it means to be intelligent.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.